and welcome to this step-by-step guide on test intelligence by Lambdatest. Most test reports give you numbers, but what if they gave you insights? That's what test intelligence does. Lambdatest Test Intelligence is an AI-native advanced test analysis tool designed to enhance the quality and efficiency of your testing process. It's basically a collection of widgets that provide in-depth and easy-to-interpret test insights. From flaky test reports to command log errors, everything is in one place and just one click away. This tool is a game changer for developers, testers, and QA managers, helping them analyze test results faster, debug smarter, and make data-driven decisions with ease. Now, let's see how to use it.
First, log into your Lambdatest dashboard. If you're new, sign up and log in. To get started, ensure you've run at least one test on Lambdatest's automation cloud, 𝐻𝐼, or any other testing tool within the platform. If you have, you can directly access insights from here or select Insights from sidebar and click on Dashboard. Here you can see I have already made a few dashboards. You can kickstart analysis with pre-built templates for instant QA insights. Use pre-built widgets to mix and match key metrics from supported tools, or go fully custom with the new custom widgets in beta, giving you total control over what you see and how. Let's start by creating our first test intelligence dashboard for flaky tests. We'll go with pre-built widgets. Select all the flaky-related widgets. Give the dashboard a name and click Create Dashboard. Done. It's created in under a second. Now, you'll see widgets like Flaky Tests, Test Group View, Flakiness Summary, Flakiness Trends, and more. You can click into any of these to dive deeper. Now, what makes test intelligence intelligent? It's the AI Copilot. Just open it and type something like, briefly explain each widget on the current dashboard, and it gives you an instant breakdown. You can use Copilot to ask anything about the data. It's like having a testing analyst right inside your dashboard. Now let's build our second dashboard, 𝐒𝐿 Insights. Select the product, choose all 𝐒𝐿 widgets like time trends, status ratio, and suite health. Name your dashboard and hit Create. Boom! Your 𝐒𝐿 dashboard is ready, giving you instant visibility into test health, performance trends, and reliability at a glance. You can also click on the issues to dive deeper into specific problem areas and take action faster. Now, our third dashboard, Command Logs Widgets, gives a full picture of your Selenium command activity. From which commands are used most, to what errors like no such element or timeout are popping up, and when. You can track trends, spot recurring issues, and debug flaky runs with precision. It's everything you need to troubleshoot faster, all in one view. And finally, let's create the test cases dashboard. Add widgets like Test Case Health Snapshot and Test Cases View to get a quick pulse on test case status, history, and last run insights. Perfect for monitoring test coverage and spotting stale or failing tests before they impact your releases. Now, if you click on a particular widget's three-dot menu, a drop-down will appear where you'll see 4 options. First is Configure Widget, which allows you to further customize and filter the widget settings. Second is Clone Widget, which duplicates the widget. It can be used for comparison, with each version having different configuration filters. Third is Download as PDF, which exports the data as a PDF report. And fourth, Delete Widget, which removes the widget from the dashboard. Now, let's explore the key options in your dashboard. Add Widget. Add more widgets even after creating the dashboard. Date range. Filter test execution data for specific periods. Daily, weekly, monthly views. Adjust how test data is aggregated. Edit layout. Rearrange widgets by dragging and dropping. Download dashboard. Export the entire report as a PDF. Share dashboard. Instantly copy the shareable link to send to stakeholders. Now, the last option here is Settings. Click on this, and you'll see the settings panel that allows users to manage and configure their test analytics dashboard. Dashboard name. Users can rename the dashboard and save changes. Email notifications. Users can toggle email notifications on/off to receive updates about test results and trends. Share settings. This allows users to customize the access permissions of the dashboard. Users can set the sharing duration to 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, or never. If never is selected, a password is mandatory for security. Users can also make the dashboard private by simply toggling it on. Delete dashboard. Users can permanently delete the dashboard. A warning is displayed to confirm the action, as it cannot be undone.
That's it. Now you know how to access, set up, and use Test Intelligence by Lambdatest to gain deeper insights into your test reports. With its powerful analytics and easy-to-use widgets, you can optimize your testing process, detect flaky tests, and make data-driven decisions effortlessly. Try it out and take your test automation to the next level.